interactive feeder, but something they can work on so they know there's food in there. Dude, you gotta work for it.
Also, regardless of what their owners eat, cats need to eat meat.
Cats are obligate carnivores. They must eat meat because they're unable to synthesize certain amino acids that are found only in meat. So please, make sure that you feed your cat a meat-based diet. It has to be nutritionally complete and balanced, but please don't make it vegetarian.
Keeping your cat healthy and happy can quickly become a way of life. One doctor in Japan spends so much time around felines. They call him the cat guru.
猫は感情がすごく豊かな動物です。猫が嫌いな人にしてみると、猫って何かに湧いてるかわからないよねっていうふうによく言われるんです。
Dr. Yuki has spent tens of thousands of hours studying cats. He's working to decode the subtle nuance of their language.
本当に猫の目を見ていたりだとか、耳の様子、尻尾の振り方、そこを見ていれば猫の気持ちっていうのが分かるようになると。
When a cat's eyes are open and their ears are up, they relax. If they narrow their eyes and lower their ears, they're becoming aggressive. Eyes open but ears back means they're preparing to defend themselves. And if they bare their teeth, it means they're ready for an attack. Reading a cat's face can be intuitive. The tail is more of a mystery.
この動きには様々な意味があります。犬っていうのは尻尾を振っている時っていうのは喜んでいるっていうふうによく言われるんですね。でも猫はそうではない。
When a cat thrashes its tail, it's a